Today I'm taking a look at the Toolant 15-degree coil roofing nailer. So we got a quick start guide. This is actually a nice laminated quick start guide. We got our full instructions. It says this has an operating pressure of 70 to 110. They recommend 90 psi. It has a maximum of 120. So you don't want to go above 120 psi with this. It is 5.8 pounds. It holds 120 nails per coil. And that uses 0.035 cubic feet per cycle at 90 psi. So here is the roofing nailer. That has got an extremely pleasant handle on it. So this is all rubber right here. Feels very nice in the hand. I got pretty big hands and this is actually extremely comfortable. Got our trigger right here. It does have our safety right there. It also has a hook, so if we want to, we can hang that guy onto a beam in the event that we need to get our hands free. Got some rubber padding right here on the side, and it gives you a message to oil daily, which is always a good advice if you're going to be using an air tool. I usually use 10 weight, and that is what most air tools will use. Do appreciate they got this on a tether, because if you're going to be using this for carpentry, anything like that, where you got a lot of dust flying around and you got to put this guy up for a while, with that you won't have to worry about sending sawdust into the tool. So here's our coil holder. We've got our little, it looks like a gate release kind of right there. So we just pop that open, and then that will flop open. And in here we got our coil holder. Now, this is kind of a neat one because all you got to do is rotate it, then you can adjust it up and down, and then rotate it back. Oh, that's nice. So we have got our little oiler bottle. So if you know you're going to be out and about, you can keep this with the tool. And we got a couple of maintenance Allens. Oh, that's nice. So we got a little cleaning cloth, and we got some fairly nice little safety glasses. And when I say nice, what I mean is they actually got little rubber grips right here, so you're not going to be sliding off your face when you're outdoors sweating. So we got one clear, and we got one in the event you're going to be working in the sun. Now it does say that we want to load 0.120 inches diameter, 3/4 to 1 3/4 inches that are 15-degree roofing nails only. So that is what I got here. This is by Grip Right. And you can see this comes with a lot of nails. This is 5 coils of 120. I've used Grip Right in the past. They have never let me down. One of the main things you want to look for is, are these things going to rust? And so far these have not. What we're going to do is drop our coil on. We'll make sure the heads of the nail go into this top slot and into this slot over here. So you just need to get it a little bit of oil, hook up the air, and then that will be ready to go. So here I have some rubber shipping material, and we're going to attach that to this pallet. Make sure you got your eye protection. I'm using some 10 weight air and lube. We're just going to go ahead and give that guy a drink. You can't put in too much, you can't put in too little. Anything that you put in there that is too much is just going to get blown out. It is better to have too much than too little. Okay, so there we go. So that's single action. We just push it down, pull the trigger, or we can hold the trigger, and we can use our bump to do the actuating. Very nice, very effective. We have sunk all the way in, and that is on the full 1 1/4 inch nail. So yep, that guy is kind of a monster.